Hello young mathematicians, welcome back to my channel, Wizartist. In this video, I'm going to teach you addition, which is a mathematical operator. So before we learn more about addition, first of all we need to know the symbol that is used for addition. This plus symbol is the symbol of addition. When we use this symbol in a mathematical operation, we get to know that we are performing addition. So let us now know the structure of addition. So when we are adding numbers, we have to enter the first number, then the plus symbol which shows addition, then the next number. Like this, every number that you want to put, you can put after the plus symbol. Once your question with the plus symbols along with them is finished, you put an equal to sign. This equal to sign shows that the numbers that you're trying to add are written, and after this symbol, equal to symbol, will be the answer of your addition. Okay, so this is how you add in the form of a straight line, which is called in a line. Now there is another type of addition wherein you arrange the numbers in columns. First you put the first number, then you put the second number below it. Like this, you can put more numbers one below another. At the last number, you put the addition symbol. Again, this addition symbol is to show that you are performing addition. Then you put two lines wherein your answer will be there. Okay, so this is how you add in columns, arranging numbers in columns and adding them. So now, first let me tell you what is addition. Addition is another mathematical operator wherein we use it to combine numbers. Okay, and addition is really useful in daily lives. Now, what does combining numbers mean? So I'll give you an example. Your friend has 3 balls and you gifted him or her 2 more balls. Now, how many balls does your friend have? If we will count alongside 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. He has or she has 5 balls. Okay, thus we can say that 2 balls and 3 balls is equals to 5. So this and in mathematics is the addition. Understood? Alright. So now, how can you add numbers? I told you in the 2 methods, which is the line method wherein A plus B equals to C, you write, or the other method, which is the columns method, wherein it is like this. So now let us implement this learning with numbers. Suppose you have a question wherein you're asked to add 5 plus 3. How are you gonna add it? So the first method is you can either do in the rough work, you can draw balls. First you will draw 5 balls and then you will continue drawing 3 more balls and then count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do you get the answer as? 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Understood? Now there's another way wherein you can use your fingers. So suppose you have your fingers over here. So let us take the same example. 5 plus 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is equals to, how to calculate in your fingers? So take 5 fingers. Take 5 fingers and 3 fingers. Now count those fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? How many there are? 8. Understood? Like this you can calculate numbers. But now if you're told to calculate these numbers, 12 plus 13, will you be able to calculate these numbers on your fingers? No, because you have only 10 fingers. How can you calculate numbers that are larger than 10 on your fingers? Thus, here is where we will use the columns method to add. First, you'll put the first number. The larger number is preferably put up and the smaller number is put down. But if you by mistake put the smaller number up and the bigger number down, no problem. So I'll put the bigger number up, then I'll put the smaller number down, and then the addition symbol to show that I'm doing addition. And then in the lines I'm gonna write the answer. So now how to get the answer? 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? So you can use your fingers method, but here I will use the balls method. 1, 2 and 3. And then I'll have the other 2 balls, 1 and 2. When I'll check them, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I am getting 5 balls. Thus how many balls do I have? 5 balls. Thus we are saying that 3 plus 2 is 5. So now I'm going to put 5 below. As you've seen, I have put 5 below at the ones place. Now what is 1 plus 1? 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm going to write 2 over here. So what do I get? What do I get? I get 25. Thus, now you can write in the form of line 12 plus 13, or you can write 13 plus 12 is equals to, what did we get the answer? 25. Alright. This is how you can add in columns. But now if I'll give you an example, wherein you have to calculate 12 plus 19. Okay, so let us calculate in the form of columns. So let me put 19 first, as it is big, and then I will put 12. Then the addition symbol, I'll put the lines, and now I'll try to add them. So when I'll try to add 9 plus 2 with the help of the balls method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9, and the 2 balls now, how many will I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11. Now, can I put 11 over here? Can I put 11 over here? No, I cannot put 11 over there. Why? Because this is the ones position. But 11 has also a tens digit, which is 1. So we cannot put a tens digit in the ones place. Can we? No. We cannot put a tens digit, which is the 1, the tens digit 1 of the 11, in the ones place, which is this place. Okay. So that is why we're going to put just the ones place 1 over here. But then what will happen to the other ones place? What will happen? We will use it as a carry forward. Now this is another method, carry forward method. Okay, used for addition. I'm going to put the 1 above, as you can see. And now I'm going to add 1 plus 1. These two numbers I'm going to add 1 plus 1, so I get 2. But 2 will not be coming down. Why won't it come over here? Because what will happen then to this one of the 11? What will happen? No need to worry. You will add that one along with these ones. Means you will add that one with the tens position digits. So now you get 3. Why you are getting 3 and not 2? Because you also have to add this one along with these two. Okay. Understood? So now you have to put that 3 which you get along with the carry forward over here. Okay, in the answers column. So you will get 19 plus 12 is equals to 31. Okay, got it? Great. So now you've understood how to do additions. Now there might be various carry forwards of different numbers, etc. But now here when I'll give you a sum, suppose 100 plus 100, you're getting zeros over here. But you're getting zeros, okay? And we all know that 0 does not have any value. So you will have to put 0 only over here. You don't need to do any calculations. Automatically 0 will come here. And then 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, 2. Okay, so you're going to write 2 over here. Understood? So 0 plus 0 will be always 0. No matter how many times you're adding 0 with 0 itself, you're going to get the same number. Now let us learn a few properties. Okay, so the first property is that when you add any number, let us take it as 1 with 0, the answer will be the number itself. Okay, because if you will add a ball, 0 means nothing. So what are you going to add with that number, one number, which is the number 1? You're going to add nothing. So the answer will be the number itself. Understood? Be it any number, be it 100 or be it 99, when you will add that number with 0, you are only going to get the answer, the number itself. Okay, so here you're going to get 100 only and here you're going to get 99 only. No differences with the number. The other property is that whenever you add any number with 1, let's take the number to be 10, you get the successor of that number. Now what is successor? Successor is the number after. So what comes after 10? 11. So the answer is going to be 11. The number after. Okay, the number after or the successor. So these two properties will help you do addition easily, won't they? Now there is another property, okay, which is the commutative property. Suppose let us take 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? Okay, 2 plus 3 will be 5. Okay, so when you will calculate, you will get 2 plus 3 is 5. Now what is 3 plus 2? Okay, so this time I'm going to do with the ball method. 1, 2 and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many I'm getting this time also? This time also I'm getting 5. So this property, wherein whether you add a plus b or b plus a, you're going to get only C. You're not going to get some other number. Okay, the answer is not going to change. Alright. The other property is the associative property, and this property is very much alike, very much same to the commutative property. The only difference is the brackets. Now, if you have studied BODMAS, You might have learned that brackets, the operation in brackets occurs first, then the operation in division, then the operation in multiplication, then the operation in addition, and at last the operation in subtraction occurs. Okay, so if you take the addition example, now remember you have to take the example with only addition. No other operators should be included in it. Okay, so if you take the example of this addition problem, suppose let me take 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, what is equals to? So first you're going to add 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is 8. If you'll calculate on your fingers, or if you have practiced many times, you're going to get it will be easier for you. You'll automatically be able to tell the answer when you do a lot of practice. Now, thus further we have to do 2 plus 8, which is equals to 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So here we got the answer as 10. But now, if I'll change the position of the brackets, okay, suppose let me change the positions of the brackets. Let me do it. Okay, so let me do it 3 plus 2 plus 5. Here 2 plus 5 is equals to 7, and 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. It's equals to 10 only. There is no difference in it. There is no difference in it. Okay, understood? So that is why if you change the numbers in the brackets, that's why if you change the numbers in the brackets, the answer will remain the same. This property is known as the associative property. Alright, so these properties will help you solve a few examples. So if I'll give you an example for a type of question that might come in your exams for associative and commutative property, is suppose if I'll ask you 2 plus 3 plus 180 plus 99 is equals to 3 plus 99 plus 18 plus dash. Now what are you going to fill in this blank? Now if you don't know the associative or other properties, you'll have to calculate all these numbers and then calculate these numbers and then find the difference, which is going to be a headache. But now you know the commutative property, so you can simply tell that the answer is going to be 2. How? Because as we learned the commutative property, if you change the order, the answer is going to be same. So after the equal to sign, over here we've changed the order. So the number that's missing is going to be the answer. So here we had 3, we had 99 and we had 18. So which number was missing? 2 was missing. Thus what is the answer? 2 is the answer. Understood? Alright, great. Now, okay, so now for associative property, you might get something like this. Suppose 99 plus 189 plus 81 is equals to 99 plus 81 plus dash. What are we going to write as the answer? You don't need to calculate all these things, because we know the same method is going to be followed, that there is 99, there is 81, what is missing? 189. So you're going to write the answer as 189. So isn't these easy? Aren't these easy? Now you can easily solve such questions. Okay, so now let us practice with a few examples the learning that we had. We can suppose I'll give you a few questions. First, let us solve 81 plus 189 93. Okay, it's a big number. How we'll add it? 81 plus 93. How are we gonna know it's gonna be addition or or it is subtraction or multiplication or division? How are we gonna know it? Yes, we are going to put this plus sign. Now let's calculate. So first you have to do 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then you have to do 8 plus 9. Okay, now 8 plus 9 is 17. So you don't need to do carry forward because there is no hundreds place over here. So you have to straight put 1 and 7. So the answer will be 174. Okay. Now let me give you the other one. Another one. What is 119 plus 1? According to a property that we have learned, the answer is simply going to be the number after or the predecessor of 119. What is the predecessor? Sorry, not the predecessor, the successor. Okay, so what is the successor of 119? The successor of 119 is 120. Yeah, the successor of 119 is 120. So you don't need to do a lot of additions, arranging columns and all things. You can simply follow the property and get the answer. So now let's move on to some other tricky questions. Let's move on to a carry forward question. C is we are going to ask 74 plus 88. So when we'll arrange them in columns, we are gonna get like this. So 4 plus 8 is 12. Now the carry forward one, 7 plus 8 is 15. What is now 15 plus 1? Why 1? Because what will happen to the 1 of 12? The 12 which came here, what will happen to the 1 of it? The tens position, which is 1. We are going to add it with the tens position answer by adding the sum of these two numbers, which is 15, with this number, which is 1. What are we going to get? According to a property, it's going to be 16. The answer will be here 16. 162. The answer is 162. So like this, keep on practicing, and you will be really nice in addition, really nice at addition. Alright. Now not only for tens and ones, there can be carry forwards for 100s or thousands or 10,000s, lakhs, crores, millions, billions. But the same basics will be followed. Suppose let us take an example. 8,248 plus 9,874. So this is a complex question which will clear if you have any doubts. So first you're going to add these two. We are going to get 12, carry forward 1. Now we're going to add these two, 4 plus 7, which is 11. 11 plus 1, because we're going to use this one also. 11 plus 1 is 12. We're going to put the 2 up, a 2 here and a 1 up. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 1 is going to be 11 and carry forward 1. And 1 of the 11 will be here. Now we're going to add these two. 8 and 9, which is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So the answer that you're going to get is 18,122. So such big sums can also come. Okay, so wherein what are we simply doing is, here we have got the 1 as carry forward, and when we add these 3 we again get a number that has a carry forward. No issues, that number's carry forward will also go up. Okay, will also go up. Now when we add these 3, again we are getting a number with a carry forward. No problems, again we are going to put the carry forward up above. Okay, and when we add these 3, which is the last digit, last place value, so you're not going to put any carry forward and simply going to write the answer down. Understood? So this is how you can do addition. It's really simple, only you need your concepts to be cleared. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.